my name is Shan. I'm an embroidery artist. I make pansy hoops, butterfly earrings, and pouches for my customers. I am inspired by rare animals, plants, myths, and folktales from ancient China. When I stitch, I meditate and find inner peace. To achieve the realistic outcome, I explore both traditional Chinese silk embroidery and Stumpwork, which is a three-dimensional technique. The outcome can be displayed from many angles and be used as a decorative object or jewelry. In this Domestica course, I'll teach you three-dimensional embroidery techniques to create beautiful pieces. For the final project, you will make your own 3D flower and turn it into a wondrous item to wear. First, I'll introduce all the materials you need for your piece and how to choose the right ones. I'll share how to source inspiration and develop a pattern yourself. After that, you'll learn how to stretch your fabric onto the hoop and transfer your pattern onto it. Then, I'll show you basic embroidery stitches and how to outline your pattern with wires. It will then be time to start on our piece and stitch your petal and leaf, as well as the pistil and stamens. I'll teach you how to cut the edge neatly and assemble all the parts together. Lastly, I'll show some ideas to turn your outcome into a piece of wearable jewelry. Once you finish this course, you will be able to create your favorite flowers in a full 3D look and share it with the world. To follow me, you'll just need cotton thread, some non-stretch fabric, wooden hoops, wires, pliers, and of course, needles. Come with me and paint your imagination with needles.